grade 2s. So today we are going to go through your phonics sound, which is A, and we are going to go through your phonics words for the week. So let's begin. First, I'm going to read the word, then sound it out and put it into a sentence. The first word is play. P-L-A. Play. The boy and girl are playing nicely together. Spray. S-P-R-A. Spray. When you spray paint on the wall and make a design, it's called graffiti. Clay. K-L-A. Clay. My little sister loves to play with clay. She likes to make different animals. Tray. T-R-A. Tray. For Mother's Day, I put a cup of tea and some biscuits on a tray and I gave it to my mom. Bay. B-A. Bay. The bay sure looks beautiful today. Holiday. H-O-L-A-D-A. Holiday. It sure was lovely when we were all on holiday. Birthday. B-R-Th-D-A. Birthday. Miss A's birthday is in June. Crayon. K-R-A-O-N. Crayon. Sometimes I like to color in with crayons because it looks nicer. So there you have it. Those are your phonics words for today. I hope you enjoyed reading with me. Goodbye.